Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about most common. Blue color of contusion is due to deoxyhemoglobin. So color of contusion. Bright red color contusion is seen immediately after injury and it is due to oxyhemoglobin. After 3 hours to 3 days after injury, the contusion or bruise is blue in color due to deoxyhemoglobin. It is at 3 hours to 3 days. On fourth day after contusion, after injury, the bruise or contusion is brown in color due to hemosiderin. Then by 5 to 6 days, the contusion becomes green in color due to hematoidin or biliverdin. By 7 to 12 days, the bruise becomes or contusion becomes yellow in color due to bilirubin. By 2 weeks, the contusion becomes completely normal. Thank you and thank you for watching.